What's up, world? If you guys watched the video right before this one, you guys will see that I was doing the unwrappings, the new forms of the unboxing for the clothing, you know, because they come in packages, not boxing. So I have another one for y'all. It'll be another graphic t-shirt, and it's another collab with DC Universe and the Hundreds, and I can't wait to show y'all this one. This one right here, man, is cool, it's epic. If y'all into comics, man, go support, man, DC Universe. If you into streetwear, go support the Hundreds. You wanna get your inner geek on, but you still wanna look cool doing it, man, you know where to go. But this shirt I have for y'all today, I can't wait to show y'all this graphic right here. Batman punching Superman in his face. So I'll be taking this out of the package, man, to show y'all this bad boy. So I just took it out. I'm gonna show y'all. Batman is rocking Superman. This is a nice quality shirt. Perfect image. This is that fire right here, man. Let me open it up and show y'all that drip. Y'all see that right there? Yes, that's your boy, man. Superman getting rocked by the dog named Batman. I know y'all see that. That boy Batman knocking Superman out. You know kryptonite, though. That's the collab at the bottom of the Hundreds. I want to show y'all close up of that. Y'all see that angle right there?